everyone, it's Alex back in the lab. Today, we're tackling a challenge that's been bubbling in my mind, literally. Let's shrink complex phenomena.
My ambitious goal, creating the world's smallest genuinely operating volcanic eruption, replicating powerful, awe-inspiring processes on a microscopic scale. This project aims beyond mere miniaturization. It's about understanding volcanic mechanics, simulating incredible power and precision even at tiny scales. I aim to capture an eruption's full life cycle, from deep pressure accumulation to explosive molten rock release and lava flow. The star of today's show, a diminutive miniature volcano model, less than 5 centimeters tall, crafted with 3D printing technology. The heart of our eruption, the lava. A carefully balanced mixture of baking soda, mild acid, and red-orange food coloring for an authentic look. Time for hands-on chemistry, carefully measuring baking soda, then slowly adding mild acidic solution, stirring continuously for control. Baking soda and mild acid combine to produce carbon dioxide gas, accumulating rapidly within our model's confined magma chamber. As gas pressure builds, it eventually exceeds the vent's resistance, forcing the lava mixture upwards and outwards, simulating a volcano's immense forces. Time for hands-on chemistry, carefully measuring baking soda, then slowly adding mild acidic solution, stirring continuously for controlled reaction. Analyzing the failure, the vent opening is too wide, preventing pressure buildup, and gas isn't powerful enough. Critical adjustments are needed. Back to the workbench! First, I significantly narrow the volcano's mouth with a specialized tool, ensuring pressure accumulates for bursting. I'm increasing the lava mixture's density and reactivity, aiming for a thicker, more potent concoction to generate stronger gas expulsion. Beyond function, I'm enhancing realism by adding intricate layers of simulated rock and ash, appeal, and sense of scale. Denser lava mixture generates higher gas volume, providing visual substance. These critical modifications transform sluggish fizz into an explosive event. Modifications complete. I'm confident we've addressed the issues. This is the main event. The high-speed macro camera is ready.
Yes! It actually worked! Look at the flow rate on that lava!
The miniature size allowed incredibly clear observation of intricate gas escape mechanisms, confirming a denser lava mixture enhances eruption force. Our micro-compression system proved stable and effective. The video concludes with a split-screen comparison, highlighting striking similarities.